Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got a really cool little truck to show you here today. That's a 1957 Chevrolet, and all steel body except the fenders are fiberglass. The front fenders are fiberglass. Such a nice truck. Super clean. This was all done the right way. Look at this. Remarkable. This thing's hardly seen daylight. And it's all full of cool little surprises. He's got a really neat little tonneau cover that goes on there. And in the back, that's where the spare tire lives. There's a fuel cell, battery, and looky. Yep, that is pre-set up for nitrous. He's got the bottle. He's got the go-go switch on the dashboard. He's got the plate underneath the carburetor. I just don't think he ever got around to actually running the lines to it. So if you want to get yourself another kick in the butt for horsepower, well, that's what you got right there. She's already ready to be set up. Interior on this thing is phenomenal. Look at this. Everything is like new. The gaskets are like new, handles are like new, hinges look like they are new. There's your little VIN number right there if you're keeping score at home. Nice little wood grain steering wheel there. It's an automatic transmission. It's got the full gauges, got all the good stuff there. Big old tack sitting on top. The headliner is a recessed headliner. It's even got the sun visors on it. Seats are like new in the thing. I mean, this whole car, this whole truck is just super clean. So she's running a little modified 350 underneath the hood and a automatic transmission. And I'm thinking it's about a 10-year-old restoration or so. Such a pretty car. Now, I want to show you because I don't want you to get here and be disappointed. Okay? I don't know if you can see them or not, but if you can see these here, the painter apparently had a bunch of dust come in the booth when he was in the final stages of clear coating. And so there's dust under the paint, and I'd say it's a fair amount, but it's 15-year-old restoration. The paint's not coming off. There's nothing dumb or anything like that. But like the hood got the brunt of it. There's some on the roof. There's none on the front fenders because they were painted separately. And on the doors and the rear and all that kind of stuff, there's none back there. So what it looks like is that somebody opened up the paint door or something or other, and his fan was going, and it managed to blow a bunch of dust around. So if you can live with that, this is an absolutely gorgeous truck. If you can't live with that, I guess you just have a body guy. You just go and resurface the hood and the roof and whatever. Minimal amount of money compared to what it would cost to build this thing. Holy mackerel! The way this thing is put together, this is a got to be a $100,000 plus build. Grill on it, everything on this truck is absolutely just spectacular. And I'm going to just set the camera down here for a second and see if I can get the hood open for you, because I want you to see what a nice job they did inside here. Look at that. Clean. Edelbrock Performer intake. Looks like an Edelbrock carburetor. Look at their camelback heads. Old school. I like it. Headers. Look like they might have been powder coated at one time. Such a beautiful car. This thing is just straight. Just clean. Look at the lines on that. It's beautiful. Under here, hood's been crossbowed. Such a nice truck. And I'll tell you what, she giddy up and goes, let me tell you what. Anyway, 57 Chevrolet, beautiful truck. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip, right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And my cell phone number, 602-510-5444. It's the easiest way to get a hold of me. And once again, as always, I thank you for looking.